Speaking of fun, let's go take a look at problem of the day. And it says here, temperatures dropped to 5 degrees Fahrenheit last week. It's cold. What would that measure in Celsius if the conversion formula is, and by the way, the conversion formula is correct here, C equals 5/9 times, in that big parenthesis there, F, that's degrees Fahrenheit, minus 32. All right, so let's see again. What would that measure in Celsius if the conversion formula is C equals 5/9 times, in parentheses, Fahrenheit minus 32. So let's take a look at it. All right, let's take a look at what we've got here. This isn't a really hard problem because they give you the formula. The hard part sometimes is remembering what is the formula we're going to do. And more, you get access. We can catch that on Google or something of that nature, find the formulas for these little things, and then just simply do a substitution. So what we're going to do today, we're going to go ahead and let you all write that down at home. All right, C equals 5/9 times F minus 32. And what are we looking for, my friends? Well, let's look at the problem. Temperatures drop to 5. There it is, right there. It's a positive 5. It's not negative, so we're going to keep our positive there. And it says, what would that measure in Celsius? So let's take a look. C equals 5/9. There you go. And now let's replace that F with a 5. And we've got minus 32. So there's your formula. All we did, hey, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? All you have to do is replace a substitution there. And then we go to parentheses first, right? We're going to take care of that first, so let's take care of it. We've got C equals 5/9 times, oh my goodness, some of you are already saying, that's going to be negative, Ernie. It's going to be a negative number. Well, certainly it will be, because we're trying to take 32 from 5, so we're going to go in the hole big time. How about a negative 27? Woohoo! Now we are ready to do a little bit of multiplication. So let's see where this is going to go with us at degrees Celsius. I say let's put a 1 underneath there, all right, just to make it a little bit easier and keep us straight on where we're going to cancel, and certainly we want to because that's a big number, 27 is. So let's divide our 9 into 27. That will go 1, 2, 3. 3 times, still a negative, by the way, up there, my friends. And 5 times negative 3, easy ending. 15 degrees. That is your final value there. Now that really sounds colder than 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And sometimes people ask, well, can you go backwards with that? There is a formula that takes you backwards there. How about it? You ready to go backwards? Why not? Let's go backwards with it. Let's see if we get back to that 5. The Fahrenheit formula is 9/5 degrees Celsius, and then we tack on 32 for the fun of it, all right? So let's see what happens if we put that negative 15 right in there for Celsius, and we're going to check that. There always seems to be a way to check a problem, right? So we've got Fahrenheit equaling 9/5 times negative 15, and we'll tack on 32. Again, love it. Drop that 1 in, a little fraction moment here. It's just substitution, but we'll do the fractions. And we're going to do a little division right there because 5 will divide into negative 15 3 times. Keep the negative, keep the negative. And look what we got. Negative 27 plus 32. And you know what? We're right back at 5 degrees.